Hi, my name is Pallavi and I love to sing. I discovered my singing talent when I was a child, but talent is just not enough. To sing professionally, I had to work really hard, practice regularly, and learn from some of the best teachers out there. Talent is incomplete without training. What's stopping you from taking that vocal class? Traffic, class is too far, or no time? I got what you need. Let me introduce you to Music Pandit's online Western vocal classes. I know what you're thinking. Online classes for singing? It doesn't work. Trust me, it does. At Music Pandit, not only will you have access to the best teaching faculty, but be a part of a virtually enhanced class that will help you learn to sing in the best way possible. With the right teachers, resources, and a practice routine, your child can master the art of singing in no time. What else? Thoughtfully created lessons to meet the needs of every student, along with music workshops, assessments, progress tracking, certification from Trinity and Rock School London. We also conduct monthly parent-teacher meetings, share regular feedbacks through our learning portal. We've got you. Well, that's a lot of talk.
Cover me in sunshine, shower me with good time. Tell me that the world keeps spinning since the beginning, and everything will be alright. Cover me in sunshine, shower me with good time. Tell me that the world keeps spinning since the beginning, and everything will be alright. Cover me in sunshine.
Book a free consultation now. See you in class.